Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today we are going to check if we can really speed up the face unlock on this device. So what we have to do, go for the biometrics and security, tap on the face recognition, and as you can see here we got the faster recognition feature, right? So we are going to make the little test, the 5 tries with normal setup, and then we are going to use this feature with faster recognition. We are going to use stopwatch on my iPhone 7 Pro. So right now let's lock the device. Okay, I hold the phone in the good position. So right now let's start 1, 2 and 3. 3, 4 and a 5. Around 7 seconds. Right now let's speed it up with this feature. Let's go right here and click to faster recognition. Okay, remember it's around 7 seconds. Let's reset and then let's go with the faster way. So 1, 2 and 3. So as you can see, it's around 5 seconds. So yes, it is a little bit faster. So I think it's worth to get it. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!